Alright guys, so today is actually Friday. I didn't want to try to make this video Monday morning like I normally do. I didn't really want to, excuse me, worry about trying to get up and record at 7:30 in the morning and get everything posted by 8. So I decided to do it Friday while I'm getting everything for Monday set up for you guys. So I'm actually going to show y'all what I do. So we're going to go into Teams, and I have a new channel set up. I'm actually going to hide it for right now because I don't want y'all to see the stuff in it until Monday. What we're going to be doing this week is we're going to be finishing up Antigone. April 27th, 2020. Week 5, day 1 of remote learning. So last week you read through part 5 of Antigone. This week we're going to finish it. Today I want you to reply. I generally do that in all caps. Reply as a post. Comment as a reply to this post. At least 100 words that describe how you think Haman should have acted differently. So that's what you're doing today. Just a recap from last week. It's 100 words on why you think Haman should have acted differently. Got a typo right there. Except this time I need to add something right here. Complete the following activity after watching my weekly video here. That's where I'm going to post the link to this video. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing. Tomorrow I'm going to post part 6. And you will read part 6. We're doing something new. I don't know if y'all have heard, and that is Wednesdays are now study hall days. They told us in our faculty meeting last week. So I will not be posting an assignment on Wednesday. I will be online all day long, 8 to 4, for you guys to ask questions. We will be doing another video at 2 o'clock. And that's just to give you guys an opportunity to get caught up on your work. We still have some students that haven't gotten their laptops or their tablets from the district yet, so we're kind of trying to give everybody a break and get some time to catch up. So Wednesdays are now study hall days. Then Thursday I will post part 7. That's the last part. And then Friday you will have a forms that is for a grade in the VISD gradebook that you will need to complete that covers the last part of the play. I know I mentioned it already. I'm still going to do my Wednesday afternoon 2 o'clock video call, and I'm even contemplating offering extra credit to those who might attend. So that I know that you watched this video, what I want you to do is direct message me. I want you to finish the song lyric. And it just popped into my head, so no, I did not plan this. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? You should know it. Alright guys, I will see y'all Wednesday. Laters.